Welcome to Moral Tales, magical stories that shape young hearts.
Good morning, everyone. Let's settle in and start our story.
In a bright crayon box lived many colors, but little Purple felt sad inside. Inside the crayon box, Purple waited and hoped. But the hand chose bright red. Red colored bright hearts on the paper, and little Purple felt smaller and smaller inside the box. Blue was picked to color the big, bright sky, and Purple wished it could shine too. Then yellow was picked to color the bright, smiling sun. Purple watched and felt small inside. That night, inside the quiet box, Purple wondered, will anyone ever choose me? Green leaned closer and said softly, "Don't worry, Purple, every color has its special day." The next morning, the lid opened wide, and a fresh blank paper waited for the crayons. All the crayons raced to color the garden, but Purple stayed quietly in the corner, watching. Some grapes and a butterfly were still uncolored. Purple's eyes sparkled with hope. Finally, the hand reached down, and Purple held its breath, hoping to be chosen. At last, Purple was picked. Its eyes sparkled with joy as it floated out of the box. Purple glided across the paper, coloring grapes and butterfly wings with magic and pride. Purple sat beside the finished drawing, feeling proud of its beautiful colors. That night, all the crayons rested together, and Purple knew it would have its special day too. The colorful drawing was done, and Purple sat proudly in the box. It learned that everyone has a special time to shine.
Did you enjoy the story? Tap subscribe and join our magical adventures. See you next time, little stars. Bye-bye.